Alrighty traders, hello everybody. Let's actually get into the bit of a market update today. Let's see what's going on right now. Gold is getting the rally like I thought, and like I said to you guys, get ready for the rally, but it's going to be short-lived. We're going to talk about the stock market right now. Do or die for the good old stock market. Is this the start of a big move, or is this the start of a big drop in the markets? And then also the good old Bitcoin. Bitcoin could be creating a false breakout pattern, guys. So that's what I want to talk to you guys about in today's video here. So let's get into today's video. Let's start off with the good old gold and silver this time for you guys that love gold and silver. So right now, guys, we are getting the rally. Okay, so on my YouTube channel, guys, I've been talking about this. I've been talking about seeing gold having a rally. And so far, we're actually doing that, right? So far, we're doing that and we're getting that. As you guys know, if you've been following me for the last few months, you know that all through here, I was preparing you for the drop. We end up getting the drop all through here. And then I started to tell you guys around about here, get ready for some sort of rally. And then that's exactly what we got here. Now I'm saying to you guys, we got the drop. Yes, we did get the rally. We're getting a short-term rally, as I told you guys. Right? But it's probably going to be short-lived. Probably going to be short-lived out of the markets. Right? And now short-lived simply means we're probably going to create a low, probably going to rally back up, create up, all through the resistance through here, and then we're probably going to roll back over and start to see a movement on the downside from here. Looking at now, let's actually go down to the silver market as well too. So this is the silver market, and the silver market, guys, is not looking good, right? Is not looking good. This whole level all through here was the breakout. This here is a false breakout confirmed. Now we're moving to the downside through here. Now we're actually holding this level all through here. So to me, you can see everything's shifted, right? We went from low to the higher low to the higher low to now what? Same low, possibly even a slight lower low. And look at the moving average. Moving average is now doing what? It's pointing down, right? In an upward trending market, we get a strong moving average, strong moving average, strong moving average. Look what's happening right now. We're starting to come down through here. So not only is we're getting false breakouts, but we're coming down through here. So that tells me we're holding here, and we could be holding for a little bit more before we see something like that. So there could be a good shorting opportunity on the good old silver market coming soon. That's if you have any really good trading system from there. If you do need some help with your trading, guys, I'm running a 95% off sale to the entire Master Trader Lab, covering all areas that you need. Link in the description there. Let's go to, so that's the silver and gold today. We have a look at the same thing for the mining sector, guys. Okay, it's so, the number one thing for me, guys, is what's happening with these markets here. And I find that a lot of traders really overcomplicate it. And I think a lot of traders overcomplicate it because they believe they need the 4 or 5 indicators on their charts, the Bollinger Bands, the stochastics. They have the Bollinger Band, the stochastics, the MACDs, then they have the RSI, the Williams percent R. Then they're overlaying Elliott wave as well too. It's like no wonder you guys are having problems with the markets. The big issue with trading these days, guys, in these platforms is literally 90% of the stuff that's actually built on these platforms are there just to confuse you. They're not there to actually help you with your trading. I have found when you start to do all that sort of stuff, you start to confuse yourself, and there is no rhyme or reason around it. So right now we came back down through here. We broke a low. We are getting the rally. We're probably going to get a rally back up to this level up through here, which is probably going to be around the 50% level, which is around about this, I'd say around about this area through here somewhere, 50% level. And then get ready for another, after this rally, another big drop is coming out of even the mining sector. So gold, silver, mining sector, game over for that there. Let's go look at the actual, the good old stocky market. And so far, we're still in a very good, strong upward trend, right? Let's go to the 3-month chart or the 6-month chart here. So what we're still seeing through here, we're still seeing what? Low to high. We're getting a nice, good support level coming resistance. So Everything's looking really good for the Dow Jones. Let's go look at the NASDAQ. Same thing through here, right, guys? That was the low. We're still making a higher low through here, right? And we're right at this whole area through here, which is a resistance, which, as you can see, was also back through here as well. So this whole area, resistance, it's now come back down. Is this going to find support? If we find support here and we cannot break down from here, right? And we start to get something like this, especially if we then break above this high up here, guys. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to town. Santa Claus is coming to the NASDAQ. I guarantee you I'm going to get someone in the chat box saying, John, thank God you can trade. It's like, what? And you're a much better singer than I am? Anyway. And it's those people who say those comments that they're the people who sing in the shower, but there's no way they'd be doing that in front of thousands and thousands of people who watch my YouTube video. Anyway, low, and now we're getting a high low. Same thing for this. This is the NASDAQ composite. Basically, same thing for that there. This major high point, major high, major resistance, come down, find support. Here we go, right? And the same for the S&P 500, same thing. Right, we're holding here. Look at this here. Holding right there. What is right there? That is that level right there. What is that level right there? That is at the moving average as well too. We're also seeing the 50% moving average coming through there. Beautiful. Let's go look at the Russell. Still holding here strong, guys. Really, really, really strong. And notice something through here. Notice the moving average, right? Notice we're pretty flat through here. But look what's happening with the moving average now. Notice how we're starting to increase. Right, we had a flattening through here, bit of increasing. So there's actually, to me, I believe Santa Claus is going to come to town really, 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 really quickly out of these markets from here. So that's what I want to show you from there, guys. Let me go show you just a few things. Oh, what am I looking at here? This is Tesla. Oh, we're looking at Tesla just recently. Me and my private clients, because I'm with my private clients every single day, guys. Which, as you guys know, right, there's a lot of different areas that you need to become a good trader, right? So, and that's the reason why I'm with my coaching clients every single day. If you need some help, guys, then my 2025 Inner Circle program applications are open. Go to getjohnshelp.com, apply for that, and then I'll call you to see if you're a good fit. Now, let's go look at a few things here. So oil right now, guys, is still holding on the downside. Really still holding on the downside. Get ready for a big drop in oil. Big drop in oil, right? This is about to say how you doing, right? It's and how you doing on the downside, right? Look at this weekly chart here. It is about to happen here, right? And we've been getting this movement on the downside through here. We're still squeezing down. We haven't got it yet, right? We haven't got the drop down yet, but if you watch me for the last few months, you'll know what I'm all about is I don't know when things are going to happen, but I just give people a bit of a warning sign, right? Like gold, right? Gold, for about a month, I was telling them what was likely to happen out of gold, right? Now, looking at this level through here, man, oil could be getting ready for a really, really, really big drop, guys. Really big drop in the market. It's getting really, really, really heavy on the downside from here. And last but least, let's go look at the good old Bitcoin. Good old Bitcoin for everyone. And here is the thing here, guys, right? We're having a move to the upside. Let me take you off the screen here. We're having a move to the upside. If we do hold here and we start to come down and break below the 93 level, this whole thing is going to be one big false breakout pattern. And then we're probably going to start to make our way back down to these levels all the way through here. So we need to see this if scenario start to play out. And if so, guess what's going to happen to Bitcoin? Down, down, down.